The Cartesi cost flooded by kind of over 75% starting from the start of 2023 and really is keeping areas of strength for an energy to fundamentally recover the lost levels. At the earliest, the bulls seem to have gathered sufficient strength that might keep up the rise and arrive at the ideal objective at around 50 cents. The unpredictability of the token is accepted to ascend before very long as the whales have shed of their holdings somewhat that might launch a monster bull rally soon. Cartesi value HISTORY Cartesi token appeared inside the business sectors soon after the market imploded in WAC 2020 because of the coronavirus flare-up. The cost exchanged in every way that really matters level until the initial not many long stretches of 2021 and basically lighted a huge rise during the most recent couple of long stretches of January 2021. The cost flooded finally and stamped highs around $1.45 and dropped to 32 cents in the following 2 months. Nonetheless, the convention bounced back finally and flooded high. However, the bears figured out how to limit the cost at $1.23, past which the cost kept a precarious negative pattern. The cost exchanged inside a plummeting pattern all through 2022 and denoted the bottoms around 10 cents toward the end. Be that as it may, starting from the start of 2023, the cost especially has to a great extent exchanging under the bullish impact and endeavoring to recover the lost levels. The CTSI cost fundamentally is exchanging inside a conclusive even flag, all the more lovely liable to break over the upper obstruction. The cost is exchanging commonly near the upper opposition of the flag and collecting solidarity to break over the combination. The cost might float along the obstruction for some time, may jump kind of lengthy not long before the end of the month-to-month exchange. The critical opposition lies around 17 cents. However, the breakout from the ongoing solidification might be covered at 17 cents. An anxiety toward dismissal might torment the convention at these levels. Yet in the event that the bulls keep up with their solidarity, the meeting might ascend genuinely high to arrive at the objectives after a minor pullback. Outline of Cartesi on-chain examination. The stockpile on trades decides the quantity of tokens held by the trades. This frequently demonstrates the accessibility of liquidity on the trades, which is tremendously expected to do a purchase exchange. Notwithstanding, it diminishes the interest over the trades because of the colossal stock over the stage. It additionally demonstrates the premium of the brokers and the market feelings toward the token. Shockingly, the CTSI's equilibrium on the trades has exhausted after some time, which demonstrates the dealers are not in that frame of mind to store their tokens on the stage. It likewise demonstrates the similarity of the brokers to hold the genuinely token for a kind of lengthy time in their wallets, away from the trades. In any case, these dealers fundamentally take their tokens back to the trades when they basically wish to sell or trade their tokens, and that is the point at which the stockpile increments. Cartesi whale amassing whale collection explicitly is viewed as one of the significant on-chain pointers which might demonstrate the opinions of market members, which is genuinely huge. An ascent in the whale gathering shows the lower part of the bear market, post to which an imminent rise might start. Notwithstanding, in the current case, the whales who were gathering vigorously flipped and sold a gigantic piece of their property. The whales holding 1 million to 1 billion tokens have basically sliced their property definitely, which might make gigantic FUD inside the business sectors in an unpretentious manner. This could additionally influence the CTSI value, which might be stuck inside a dropping union for quite a while. Else may fundamentally proceed to, in every practical sense, drift inside a restricted reach for a more drawn-out time frame ahead, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The MVRV, or the market worth to acknowledged esteem proportion, decides if the especially token is underestimated or exaggerated, which is genuinely critical. It shows the proportion between the ongoing cost and the normal cost of the token obtained, which generally is genuinely critical. In the event that the proportion increments, it shows that individuals will sell the token, which could mount a selling pressure. In any case, the MVRV proportion of Cartesi has dropped steeply beneath the normal levels, which demonstrates that the merchants are gathering, which essentially is genuinely critical. This likewise flags the really approaching bullish development, as the token is intensely underestimated right now. Cartesi value expectation for 2023. The token with the current rise is recuperating inside an explanatory bend and endeavoring to arrive at the levels it in a real sense lost in August 2022. The exchanging volume has expanded prominently to show the predominance of bulls, and consequently the rise may generally win for a really long time. Nonetheless, toward the finish of Q1 the costs could ascend past 25 cents, and toward the finish of Q2, the cost could ascend past 30 cents in the wake of enduring negative activity, in opposition to prevalent thinking. During the start of the last part of 2023, the cost may in a real sense remain generally combined inside slender reaches around 30 cents. By the mid of Q3, the bullish force might equip, which might elevate the cost past 35 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nonetheless, toward the finish of Q4, the Cartesi cost is accepted to run between 37 cents to 39 cents. Cartesi value expectation for 2024. The Cartesi cost is especially accepted to transcend 40 cents during the primary most certainly couple of long stretches of 2024, as the bullish force might have outfitted since the most recent couple of long stretches of 2023 in a significant manner. The cost is accepted to reach past 50 cents rapidly toward the finish of Q1, which could approve a bull run. The Q2 exchange may truly be really bullish, and the cost is accepted to flood vigorously and secure the 55 cent obstruction level in a significant manner. The by and large final part of 2024 may observe a monster cost activity, as the cost might go past 75 cents toward the finish of Q3 and most certainly attempt to reach $1 toward the end. Nonetheless, in spite of a huge bullish force, the in a real sense bears might frustrate the advancement of the convention. Thus, the value levels might run between 85 cents to 90 cents toward the finish of 2024. Cartesi value forecast 2025 to 2030. Cartesi cost might start the 2025 exchange on a bullish note and immediately transcend $1 and may close the yearly exchange around $1.20 subsequent to enduring critical negative tension. The bears could overwhelm all through 2026, keeping the convention confined underneath $1.50, which is genuinely huge. While the cost might bounce back and especially start with a recuperation in 2027 and set out toward the most part near $2. During the 2028 exchange, the cost might start with huge rise at successive stretches, showing the becoming stronger of bulls. Further, during the 2029 exchange, the CTSI cost might start with the following bull run and rise high to shape another ATH. Nonetheless, the bullish energy might ease in the Q2 2030, wherein the cost might drop inside a precarious remedial stage or even a bear market, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Would it be a good idea for you to put resources into Cartesi in 2023? Cartesi has been showing colossal bullish force since its beginning and thus accepted to sort of recuperate the lost levels before very long, which is very critical. In the meantime, the organization development likewise may ascend with a good measure of updates soon influencing the worth of the truly token. Nonetheless, before this, a profound comprehension of the undertaking, its group, the future vision, and so on is foremost, and furthermore the graph designs with a nearby perception on the cost pattern is basic, which is very critical. What will Cartesi truly be worth in 2023? The CTSI cost might rise near 40 cents, however might be limited at 38 cents toward the finish of 2023. What will be the value of one Cartesi in 2030? The cost of one CTSI might be around $5 to $6 in 2030. Will Cartesi at any point essentially hit $10? Cartesi cost may generally arrive at a portion of the way by 2030 and may likewise keep up the bullish force and reach $10 whenever later on. Is Cartesi a very protected venture? Cartesi can be considered as a protected venture. Notwithstanding, a truly profound comprehension of the task and cost pattern is basic.